Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and today we're going to be talking about Vechain, why analysts are saying that the next parabolic move by Vechain is coming. And so if you do like the videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you all so much for the support that you show the channel. So, is Vechain on the cusp of a parabolic rally? This analyst responds. And so during this particular article, what this analyst is talking about is that the amount of people that are in it, the amount of people that have participated in the recent Vechain survey, and that there is a strong indication that the gas fees, the base gas fee prices are actually going to go down. So he says, I'm extremely bullish on Vechain more than ever because of the vote to reduce base gas price. Understand or get left behind. Because the bulls are repeating on deaf ears, all paths point to mass adoption. Win Moon in 2021, 100% zero doubt. So what he's talking about is that recently a vote was put out to the Vechain community saying, what do we want to do about these gas prices? Do we leave them the same, reduce them, or increase them? And obviously a lot of people have voted for gas prices to be reduced, which will give Vechain an even more of an upper hand compared to what it's already had. So it's really, really fascinating to see that. Now, things are literally about to, blow up. And the reason being is this. So I think what we're about to see here is going to be legendary. Once we break comfortably and a solid breakout from a volume perspective. And if we look at the bottom, I'll show you here now. See here, the volume that we're expecting, it's going to be absolutely phenomenal to see. When that happens, the prices that we're going to get to are going to be astronomical. So another look at it is this. So if we look at Vechain versus Bitcoin at the moment, this is sort of the volume that we're expecting to happen. And I'm expecting April to be one of Vechain's biggest months of the year. All signals are pointing to that. So we know that Ubiquity partners with Vechain for a global title industry. So I mentioned in previous videos that the Vechain blockchain system is now also going to be taking hands-on approach to the real estate market. And it's going to be massive on a global scale for this particular blockchain to be used for the title industry in the real estate space. So very, very exciting. Now, if we look at the charts, and we look at on a weekly time frame, like this is where approximately the next run up will be. So we're talking about a run to 66 cents now. So we're talking the next, what we're about to begin is the next phase, the next parabolic phase to 66 cents. So this is the next movement that is coming, and it will come fast. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines, it might be time to really start to consider, because you might miss the boat, and you're probably within the last couple of days of having a 10 cents or under 10 cents Vechain. So not financial advice, but I just want to tell you what I'm seeing and what I think is coming next. So for me personally, I think that all the signals are pointing towards a massive run now for Vechain. And so if we go back to this one, this is probably the main focus of today from a perspective point of view about just how big this next run up could be. And from a time frame as well, this is all due to occur between April and May. So we're going to go from a 9 cents Vechain to a 66 cents Vechain within a couple of months, maximum. There's going to be some bumps on the road, some ups and downs. It's not going to be a straight arrow. There are going to be days, when there's going to be consolidation. As we saw in the previous one, in the previous run up, there were days where, weeks that it went really, really high and then it consolidated, but it still finished on higher highs and higher lows. So for me, I think if you've been sitting on the sideline, you've been thinking about Vechain, really take the time this weekend to really have a good look at this, because you could be the last chance to get Vechain at under 10 cents. Now, if you learned something new today, hit the like and subscribe button. Really, really appreciate every single one of you. And I look forward to see you on the next one.